How to fix Gmail. Google couldn't verify his account belongs to you. In this video, guys, we will talk about how to fix this problem on your Gmail. You don't need to open Gmail, so just watch this video till the end because I will show you the easiest way how to fix this. So let's start. First, you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this, go directly and open apps option. And here, what you should do, you have to search only for uh, Gmail. Open it when you found it like this, and then go to storage option. Here, don't click on clear data, click on clear cache, and then go back and click on first stop and click OK. And here you will find here picture in picture. You have to allow this like this, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed. So I hope that, guys, this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and also subscribing in our channel. See you in another video.